Welcome to Nifty option chain analysis. There are just 3 steps. Just follow these 3 steps and you will be successful, and you should be successful. The success rate of this strategy is 70%. Almost 70 to 75% is the success rate. So let's analyze my strategy on today's chart. So to begin with, let's go to 15 minutes. Let's change the time frame to 15 minutes and let me mark the high and low of the day. The high on this candle is 17,099, 17,099, 99.5. The low on this candle is 17,916.55. 17,916.5. $17,916.55. Excellent. Now change the time frame to 5 minutes. I have just one exponential moving average, that is 21 exponential moving average. What I was telling, the 3 steps. Let me tell you the 3 steps. The first step is identify a candle on a 5 minutes time frame. The range of the candle should be below 25. Below 25 points. The range of the candle should be below 25 points. And I have 21 exponential moving average as the benchmark. So this acts as a support and resistance for our trade. And the third one is the entry into the options. Entry into the option. I will tell you how to enter to the option. So now let's start the analysis. Market opens at 9:15. So up to 9:30, I will not take any trade. Now let me come to this candle. This candle high is 16,993 and low is 16,050. So this is, the range is too high on this candle. Again, the range is too high. It is not below 25. On this candle, the range is too high. This also, the range is too high. This is a manageable, this is, the range is above 25. This is almost 30. The range is 30 between the high and low. The difference between the high and low, I consider it as the range. Even on this, the range is high. Even on this, the range is 30 and 53. This is almost 23 points. So I can consider this as the candle for our trade. But there is no support and resistance for this candle. This candle is hanging in the air. So there is no support or resistance on this candle. So we will not be able to take any trade on this candle. Now next comes no. This is also no. This is okay for the trade. The range is okay, but the problem is it's again hanging in the air. Even here, everywhere, all these candles are hanging in the air. Now what happened here? Let me open the pen. Just one moment. A very simple strategy and easy to follow, very easy to follow, but we need to have patience because it has to approach. There should be a benchmark from where we can take a trade. So sometimes this 21 exponential moving average will act as resistance and sometimes it will act as a support. So it completely depends whether it is acting as a support or a resistance, but it has to retest at that point. Only then we will be able to take a trade. Now let's see where exactly we can initiate a trade. whether it is on buy side or sell side. Let's see. Yes, my pencil is open. Now, this candle, now let me check this candle, this green candle. What does it say? The green candle high and low. This green candle high is 80, 17,080, 17,080, and the low of this candle is 17,058. It's almost 60. So this is 22, 23. So this is, so we have a right opportunity, but this candle has to close above this. This candle has to close above this in case if we have to take a trade, take a buy trade. If this closes above this, we can take a trade high of this candle. So this did not happen. This did not close there. And immediately what happened? This 21 exponential moving average acted like a resistance, and it created a red candle. So now we can initiate a trade here. The low of this candle, we can initiate a trade at the low of this candle. So now we have identified a candle at 1055. I'm sorry, at 1050 high, we can go for a put option. Now let's go to the option chart. Now this is an option chart. We will 1050. Where is 1050? So this is 1050 candle, 1049. So this is the 1050 candle. So 1055, 1050. So this is the 1050 candle. So we will initiate a trade above this 190 and 176. 190 and 176. 190, 191. My handwriting is not that good. 191 is the buy price. We are buying buy price. We are buying 17,100 put option at 191, and the stop loss is at, let me check what's the stop loss here. 176. 176 is the stop loss. 176 is the stop loss. Stop loss is 176. So almost 15 points profit. 15 points. Now we are taking a trade on this candle, and I will be expecting 1:2. My first target is 1:1, and my second target is 1:2. So 191 plus 15 points is equal to 206 plus 15. This 15 points, 206, and this is the first target, and second target is 221. Now let's see what happened. 221. $221 is my second target. 221 is my second target. 221 is my second target. My first target is 215. not 215, 190 plus 15, 205. Yes, my first target is 206 is my first target. Okay, yes. See, my first target is also achieved and my second target is also achieved. This is where the second target achieved. This is where the first target is achieved. So stop loss is not hit. See, just following my 3 steps, you are able to achieve your first as well as the second target. So it is fantastic. This is a fantastic strategy. You can follow this and you can back test every day. Every day you can back test this strategy, and I'm sure that you will be able to make at least 1:1. 1:1 is a confirm. So 70 to 75% of the times stop loss will not be hit. So towards the end, I would like to thank you for listening to this video. Please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you have any questions about this strategy, please ask your questions in the comment box. Thank you.